Is your left hand not cooperating with your right hand? Today I've got 3 exercises you can do to help develop your hand independence. That way your hands stop fighting together and start working together. Let's go. The first exercise is with what we call 5-finger patterns. That means it's basically the first 5 notes of any scale. And for today's example, I'm going to use C major. A regular 5-finger scale will sound like this. But today I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can use this 5-finger scale to improve your hand coordination. The first way is what I call 8th verse quarter notes. Here's what I mean. My left hand is going to play quarter notes, which are notes that are 1 beat, for example, like this. While my right hand is going to play 8th notes, which means there are 2 sounds on each beat, like this. And here's how that's going to sound with hands together. Another way to practice this is to flip what I just did. Now have your left hand playing 8th notes and your right hand playing quarter notes. For some reason, that one feels a lot harder to me. The next way to practice with your 5-finger scale is what I call staccato versus legato. Staccato means short, like this. And legato means smooth, like this. This is going to feel really hard at first. Take it slow. After that, you can flip and do the reverse with right hand smooth and left hand short. The next way to practice with your 5-finger scale is straight versus swung. Straight basically means you're simple and on the beat like this, while swung is more of a jazzy rhythm. You could easily remember this rhythm by saying this: long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play my left hand straight and my right hand swung. And you can then do the reverse. Now I'm going to do my left hand swung with my right hand straight. Those are 3 awesome ways that you can play the 5-finger scale and improve your hand coordination. Now my next exercise is with chords. I call this exercise the chord rhythm swap. And there's 3 different ways you can play it. For this exercise, we're going to use a common chord progression: C major, G major, A minor to F major. The first version of this exercise is whole versus half notes. Whole notes are held for 4 beats like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. While half notes are held for 2 beats like this: 1, 2, 1, 2. In this exercise, we're going to move through our chord progression C, G, A minor, F. And my left hand is going to hold for 4 beats while my right hand plays 2 half notes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole example would sound like this with my full chord progression. And I would end on C. Then flip it. The next version of this exercise is quarter notes versus half notes. Quarter notes are held for 1 beat like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. While half notes are held for 2 beats: 1, 2, like we said before. The exercise would sound like this. And then you can flip it. The last version of this exercise is the hardest. We're going to do straight versus swung again. We talked about what that means earlier in the video, So here's how we're going to do it with this exercise. Right hand will be swung and left hand will be straight. And then you can flip it. Before I get to the last exercise, let me know in the comments, do you struggle with hand independence? Have you done anything to help improve it? Let me know. The last hand coordination exercise is scales with contrary motion and parallel motion. So let's do it in contrary motion first. Contrary motion is when both hands play the scale, but they're going to move in opposite directions. The benefit of doing it in contrary motion first is because your thumbs are going to curve under at the same time. This is a really nice way to get started with scales. So in the key of C major, put both thumbs on middle C, and then play 2 more notes. Curve both thumbs under at the same time and play down to C. Then you're going to come back up, get your thumbs back to G, curve finger 3 over in both hands, and finish the scale. So here it is one more time. Once you're comfortable with contrary motion, let's level up and play scales in parallel motion. This means you're playing the scale in the same direction. The reason I picked this as the second scale exercise is because it's a little bit harder than the first one because your fingers are going to curve under and over at different times. Notice how my right hand's curving under and moving at different times than my left hand. So a quick rundown of how this would look in the key of C major. Your right hand's gonna move 1, 2, 3, curve under, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back down with the same fingers, but use finger 3 to cross over. Your left hand's gonna move 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross finger 3 over, finish up to C. When you're coming back down, 2, 1, come back down with the same fingers, curve your thumb under, and then finish the scale. When you put it together, it's going to look like this. It's going to feel really hard at first. But if I'm being real with you, learning scales is the ultimate hand coordination exercise. I recommend grabbing the scales book, link in the description below. The reason I recommend that book is because it's going to give you all the different scale fingerings that you need to use for the piano, because each scale uses different fingers. And if you want help on how to tackle all of your scales, watch this video. But if you're struggling with hand independence, it might be a sign that you're learning the piano topics in the wrong order. I've created a free training that you can watch that will show you exactly what to learn on the piano in order so that you can learn your favorite songs much faster. While learning the exercises in this video will definitely help, learning the piano as a whole in the correct order is going to help you the most. I have a music school with hundreds of students and hundreds of students in my online program, and I'm happy to report that it works. Here's my student Dale playing Saturday in the Park by Chicago after only 3 months in my Piano Accelerator program. Head to the link in the description below to watch the free training. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.